Craig Franklin, you got three massive Hippo 12s.
Okay.
On a wood frame 9K.
Nice. Hippos, okay.
Yes, sir.
And where's your amplifier and batteries and all?
I got a 120 amp hour lifting back there, and my amp is way underneath the seat.
Okay. It's all right. I don't see anything. Nice.
There you go.
All right. What is this amp wired to with 3 subs?
0.67.
0.67. Okay. What's your alternator size?
I got two 250s, dual 250s on there.
Okay.
At 14.8.
Did you build the box?
Yes, sir.
So you kept your seat?
Yeah.
Okay. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Oh, nice. Where's your port?
On the side, right over there by the door.
Okay, can I look at it real quick? Oh, nice. These 6.5 scar mid-range too. Oh, there it is. Okay. Was this box made for this vehicle?
Yeah.
It was? Okay.
Yeah, I specifically wanted to do side fire port on the truck.
Yeah. What made you do passenger instead of driver?
Something different.
Have you ever tried rotating it just for fun?
No, but when I go around curves, you can tell that the air it gets a little loud.
You can? Got it. Yeah. Nice. What's it tuned to?
It's in the 30s.
30s? Okay. Did you do any SPL tests on it yet?
I needed it 2 years ago. I did a 52.6.
Okay. Oh, you got you. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Not bad.
I was on low power then, so.
Yes, sir. Oh, so you're a little louder now? All right.
Get my music back.
I know. You didn't find that right song.
We're just gonna do 50K.
I've been listening
Like a 40 hertz song.
I've been doing the 21 questions. DJ Russell.
Right, anytime now, USB.
Yeah, when I grow up, you know what I wanna be? Take a seat, let me tell you my ridiculous dreams. I wanna ride. Yeah, I know it's hard to believe, and I can tell you already thinking I will never succeed. But honestly, everything I need to lose.
USB pops?
No, I said anytime now.
Oh, it's loaded. Do you have a bass knob to roll into it?
No, I need to get one.
You got to get one.
Yeah.
They're worth the investment.
I know.
And they protect
like,
your amp.
Because like at 0.67, it's like kind of stable, but you know, with that rise, it's like it's on that border.
Correct.
Yeah, maybe I have to catch you tomorrow, man. Maybe she'll play tomorrow for it.
Everybody, this is JacobViral. Go ahead and give Craig a like if you haven't already. He did a good job showcasing it at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2023 TDH show, as well as comment, let him know what you like about his system. I really like the layout of his box. He put it on top of his actual seats in the back of his truck, so it may not be a family-friendly vehicle, but it got the job done to keep it in place. 3 of these massive audio subwoofers. Pretty impressive to see how much X-Max flex they had during this demo you're going to see. The way he has his amplifier and battery bank underneath the seat, so it's not mounted to the box, so a little bit less vibration. May not be the most efficient spot location. Some people put them behind the back of the truck and the actual toolbox, but it got the job done. Not the prettiest install, but it works. And if you notice, he has double inputs on each of his amplifier power and grounds for all the power. And notice the way the port location is. Very unique to see the port facing into the passenger outside window. Didn't really expect that, but it got the job done to fit three 12-inch subwoofers on a 9,000 watt RMS amplifier at 0.7 ohm. He did have some USB issues, but we got the job done. I edited it out some of that. So we're going to get to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and enjoy.
Bust your cantaloupe. He thought it's 6 and he still selling
Yeah, I think now should be around like a 55. I think. I'm not as close to it.
Is it louder with this one up?
Let's do that. All right. All right, I'm ready. USB loading?
Thanks,
You must have a lot of music on that.
Yeah, a couple thousand songs. You don't like that shit, do you? That's why you'll be driving it. I see Dom, I told her, say, you need some windows on that damn Honda. back and relax. Relax. We're about to get Sir, put it in the pod. Work. Push. Hit one button till all talk to vert. Smart. Let me truck. Nigga play with me.
Yeah, I think it's just a certain point where you know you're clipping, and you turn it up one more and it shuts the amp off. You just have to learn the limit. Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Craig.
All right, Rip.